Welcome to all. I am Sadhana. I am studying in S.C. Franz Xavier's Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School in Broadway, and I am a student of Junior IAS Academy. Today I am going to take about speaking, how to speak, how to give a speech in a group place. Today we are going to see about that. Let's start with first we take a speech of any topic. We want the first thing is purpose, to pass on a wide range of information on that, to express our opinion or a view, experience, observation, and more things that, and to speak a large gathering, and that conventionally to convey the listener's view to that point of view, to see that point of our view, or some other things we want to pass that wide range of information to that listeners, or our opinion or our view or our observation or experience like that. When we are speaking, this is on a purpose, why to speak, that one is there. And how to deliver a speech is divide your speech into three parts. You want to know, for three parts you divide it. First is introduction, and next is body and conclusion, like that, three parts. Start with the salutation. Greet. When surrounding, you will be standing near the chief guests and many of them audience, fellow speakers, and other inviters. Greet chief guests, audience, and other inviters. Begin your speech with a catchy introduction in the form of that. Form an through proving question of that statistical data. Begin a speech with a catchy introduction. That introduction must attract everyone, like that. Express your views and give reason for your stand you take. When express your views, you want to be expressing like that, expressing your views and reasons for the stand you like, and convey your thoughts there and ideas with the clarity. You don't speak like off, you want to speak like with a pure and quality. Be functional, accurate, and present your balanced view. Be present there and present a balanced view. Provide supporting data to prove your points. Provide that data. You want data also for support that points. Make your speech interesting by adding some elements of humor. Use language that is easy to understand to you. Keep the sentence short and simple. Don't make that sentence bigger and bigger, and that's why going on like that. That is, make your speech more interesting there, and by adding some elements of humor. Use the language that is easily to understand for the audience. Keep a sentence short and simple. Sum up your ideas. Use suggestions, remedies to improve the situations. And last, thank the audience and organizations who are there. And remember, do not be aggressive in manner, words, or gestures. Be neither rude and offensive nor meek and mild. And your words will be clear. Your words will want to be clear. Maintain a normal volume. Don't scream into the mic. Don't shout there. A sample speech for this is: First we saw about the purpose. We have some purpose to speak there. What purpose we have? We are now for an example speech we are taking that go green purpose, the environment club of a school, like that. The topic is the nature of a future depends on the future of our nature. The nature of our future depends on the future of our nature. Okay, that is the topic, and that is the purpose we are going to see about that. And next is how to deliver the speech. We know that some information now, and that to remember that the words manner, and not to root in that place, and the words should be clear and maintain the normal volume. Don't scream on the mic, don't speak louder on that place. Let's start with greetings. Good morning, esteemed chief guest, the headmaster, teachers, dear friends and invitees. I am I am Sadhana, Secretary of Go Green, the Environment Club of a school. Today I stand before you to share my views on the topic. This is a welcome speech. I said good morning to the chief and headmaster and the teachers, dear friends, and the inviters and all. And I introduced myself there. I am a secretary of a Grow Green and the environment club of a school. Today we are going to see this topic and the topic like that. And next is introducing topic. Stopping pollution is the best solution. So here introduce that topic is stopping pollution is the best solution you're given. We humans have always deceived ourselves by thinking that someone else will save a planet. Can you imagine? For the past 200 years we have been conquering nature, and now we are beating it to the death by continuously polluting it. The earth is not dying, it is being killed, and the people who are killing it have name and address. That is the observation introduction with a shocking observation like that. By your observation, that will be like a shocking things for them. They also know that, but then we are when we are speaking, that is a shocking news for them. What is the factor and the causes in that? All the human actions is the modern world directly impact the whole ecosystem. We know that itself, that a cause or a factor in that thing. Step or a measures like because of overpopulation, the number of various chemical elements is increasing in the atmosphere, which ultimately cause irregular rainfall and global warming. And who is responsible? This is we want to take a step for that. So like that they are saying this thing, who is responsible for this thing, to take a step. Next is summing up. uh, Take some sentence together in this, and let us do a bit. Let us walk or a cycle to our workplaces or in our work schools. Let us not use the plastic bags. Let us keep our surrounding clean and plant all at all least one tree. That is summing up. And at last, we will say thank you, and we will end off this meeting fully. Thanking you from the core of my heart. I truly appreciate you. Like that will not come. Thanking you for giving this opportunity to me, and this is I'm thanking for the chief guest and headmaster, teachers, dear friends and inviters who give opportunity for this thing. That is like we can say the thankingness. I'm reading the speech again. Greetings. Good morning, estimate chief guest, the headmaster, teachers, dear friends, and invitees. I am Sadhana, Secretary of CoGreen, the Environment Club of our school today. I stand before you to share my views on the topic. Introducing topic: stopping pollution in this is the best solution. Introduction with a shocking observation. We humans have always deceived ourselves by thinking that someone else will save our planet. Can you imagine? For the past 200 years, we have been conquering nature and now we are beating into the death by continuously polluting it. The earth is not dying, it is being killed, and the people who are killing it have names and addresses, factors, and causes. All the human actions in the modern world directly impact the whole ecosystem. Measures or steps: because of overpopulation, the number of various chemical elements is increasing in the atmosphere, which ultimately causes irregular rainfall and global warming too. And who is responsible for these things? Summing up, let us do a bit. Let us work on that. Let us cycle to our workplaces. Let us go on work to a school. Let us not use plastic bags. Let us keep our surrounding clean and plant at least one tree. Thanking. I am thanking you for giving me the opportunity to speak on the stage. I am thanking to chief guest, the headmaster, teachers, different invitees, and dear friends.